Kaleem just decided to turn off
No,
the
no.
camera.
I thought you were done. There was a pause.
They were like, we're done with you. So now we put our image in here into a plane. I once got electrocuted by this water, so let's just make sure there's no bijli in it. No bijli. So we just give it a normal wash. And we do like this, 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 and then like this. And then leaving it out again, and again. You want to make sure that, I mean, of course, the less water, the quicker the drying. Anyone who's ever done laundry by hand would know this, or even dyeing, or whatever, or just, you know, if you're a logical person. Really. Just done our first wash. We've added acetic acid. Those who are in the medical field will know what that is. We've just added a little bit to neutralize the pH levels in the water. Now we're putting it in a bath of hydrogen peroxide, also known as hydrogen peroxide. And what the hydrogen peroxide does, you can see how the colors changed. It brings out the contrast in the image, so you end up with a more contrasted image. If you don't use hydrogen peroxide, you'll just have like a really loser, uncontrasted image. And some people like that, some people are into that. I've seen some people do that, and like, I don't judge them. Public. So now we are hanging the image. This was yesterday's experiment in the rain. As you can see, it didn't go that well. And this is today's experiment with some sunshine. It is backlit, so maybe you can't see it so well, but I think tomorrow we'll get a really good view of it. All right. मुझे प्यारा दोस्तन हिन इलेक्शन जे दौरान मां धूप जे फ़ायदा ले रहा हूँ खाना थो. I think that's the right word. I just want to tell you that there's also a saying in Urdu में एक कहावत है कि जे कदे धूप निकलती है तो साथ साथ बंदूक निकलते हैं.